2006 Buick Lucerne 3800. What we got done on it, something different. Factory converter there, factory resonator there, 2.25 pipe. Then we did a custom white pipe, as you guys can see right there. And then the duals out the back on each side, there and there, into some 3.5-inch double wall stainless steel tips out the back. Duals. There's the factory muffler that was on it. He wanted a little bit of sound, not too much. So we said, we got you. And he wanted the dual look. So we said, we got you. There it is. That's what it looks like, guys. So if you like what you see, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and check out our merch page. Again. That's perfect. Damn. It is quiet when it's idle, too. I like that. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 108. That's perfect. Go ahead and back it out. Damn. That ain't bad at all. I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. You just added that baby when it moved apart. Buick Lucerne straight pipe with resonator. That's got a distinctive sound.